Hello and welcome. This is Sam Malai. Alright, so let's start. The best traffic source for lawyers. There's three, and I'm applying the 80-20 to everything that I'm going to share with you. So even though there's literally hundreds of different traffic sources, I'm going to show you guys the very best ones that work exceptionally well. If you really focus on these three, you'll be able to do really well. Number one, the best source, number one source by far, there's nothing like it, there's nothing more dependable, is Google Ads. So Google Ads, as you guys know, is the ads that Google delivers to visitors when they Google something. And it's usually the top 3 or 4 search results that show up. The benefits of it is that Google Ads gives you immediate results. That means you create a campaign, you put it up, and because you rank in those first 3 or 4 spots, you'll be able to immediately get visitors on your website, pretty much. So immediate results. This is in comparison to SEO and content marketing. SEO and content marketing takes months and years to get results. For me, I can tell you, it took me 12 months for me to see results from my SEO efforts that I was putting in for day in, day out for 12 months. So Google Ads is very different. You create a campaign and you'll be able to see results and leads come in within the first couple of days, within the first couple of weeks. The second good benefit of Google Ads is you get lots of data. You'll be able to right away know whether this is going to work out for you or not. You'll be able to see exactly what people are searching for. You'll be able to find new niches, and it just works out great because you get a lot of data. The third good important benefit is that it's super scalable. If you find a niche that's working out for you in Google Ads, you'll be able to increase the budget and just kind of scale it out. So it's very important. And again, it aligns with those key principles. It scales out. This definitely fits that criteria. And in 2018, Google ad revenue, Google made $116 billion from Google Ads. That's not a joke. That means businesses and entrepreneurs and different people used Google and spent $116 billion on Google Ads. If people are spending that much in it, it must be working, right? People are not idiots. So if people are spending that much money, imagine how much money was made off Google Ads. If it's 116 billion, then I'm assuming probably 300 to 500 billion dollars was made off Google Ads in just 2018. And this is rapidly growing, and it's only going to grow. And don't forget, this is how Google makes money. So ultimately, Google is a corporation. They want to make money, and SEO and organic results don't really make Google money. Ultimately, Google makes money from Google Ads. So if you understand this and you see that you're pretty much, you want to be on the side of Google and be on their side and really join their force on using Google Ads to pretty much bring results for your law firm. Number 2 best source for lawyers, YouTube videos. So everyone talks about video and video content, and I really see, information is out there, but really I still don't see that many lawyers taking advantage. What YouTube is right now is what SEO was 10 years ago. And pretty much another way to kind of explain the beauty and the value of YouTube videos is, if I came to you in the 1980s and I told you to invest in real estate, would you listen? If you knew how real estate would pan out, you definitely would. And that's what YouTube is right now. Like, if you take advantage of YouTube, it brings you a lot of results, a lot of compound results over time. So one video that you put up, that if it ranks for you, and maybe if you get one of the first positions in YouTube results, that one video could potentially bring you $50,000 up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Once you understand that value, you will go and do whatever it takes to create content for YouTube. So there's definitely a blue ocean opportunity on YouTube. There's nobody focusing on it, so which gives you even more reasons to do it. And then the other more important part that I realize is that leads that come from YouTube are much higher value. Somebody that goes on YouTube and watches you, they're going to be exposed to you and your face and your authority, and they're going to like you more. So the leads, people that watch these YouTube videos, are way more likely to sign up for your service or whatever you're offering if they see you on YouTube versus somewhere else. And that's very crucial. Every lead is different. It has different kind of value behind it. And the leads that come from YouTube are a lot more valuable. Third, the third best traffic source for lawyers, Cora. Cora is the biggest question and answer website. It has 200 million monthly visitors. 200 million people on a monthly basis use Cora to ask questions and get answers. And it's a huge website, and a lot of lawyers I don't see taking advantage of this. Something that I would compare it to is like Avvo. It's similar to Avvo, but it's even better and bigger than Avvo. So if you are doing Avvo, if you're doing that's kind of this question and answer websites, you should actually be focusing on Cora instead. There's lots of qualified prospects looking for answers. So it's a website that's made to capture people where they're kind of looking for a solution, and that's a great place for lawyers to be. Here's another good aspect about Cora. The same way that podcast listeners are the best listeners because podcast listeners are usually more sophisticated, the same thing for Cora. 54% of users make $100,000 in their household. So these are people who are wealthy, who can make decisions, who can invest money. So those are the right people you want to be in front of. You put yourself in front of people asking questions about your specific topics. So if you're kind of any kind of problem that people are having, if you go in there and answer their questions and you solve their problems, you'll kind of be able to build that authority on Cora. And then another great aspect that Cora has is that they also offer Cora ads, which has been out for 2 years now, and I've seen them grow and kind of create a very good ad network from it. Nobody's taken advantage of this. I've been using it for the past 2 years. It works out great. So look into that Cora ads. Again, amazing. So again, Google Ads, YouTube videos, and Cora. Those are the three places you want to be as a lawyer. Pick one of them. Google Ads is very kind of you usually want to have a company create this for you. You should not do this for yourself. But once you get a company that sets it up for you and you're able to scale it out, YouTube, if you're good on video, focus on YouTube. And if you like answering questions and being helpful, then be on Cora. Just pick one, I would say. Focus on that one. Do that for 6 months, and then you'll see amazing results.